Welcome back, y'all, to another DIY. If you're new here, my name is Alexa and we are the Vigers. We are currently traveling full time in our RV with our 2 kids and pup. Most of these DIY videos are back in March of 2023 when I was just applying some peel and stick wallpaper and decorating the rooms before we hit the road. This room is the second bedroom in our RV, aside from the master bedroom and the loft, which we turned into our son Oakley's bedroom, who will be 1.5 in November. So for his bedroom, I went simple and sort of neutral colors. I wanted to do pretty basic with the black accent lines and yellow suns. I didn't want to go too babyish or nursery, as we sort of have a loose plan on how long we'll be doing this, traveling in the RV, and I wanted him to be able to grow with the room or have it be interchangeable in case we wanted to switch his and Lila's room. I decided to go with the individual stickers instead of full page wallpaper. These were super cute and super easy. I'll post the link for them in the description box below. So I did one wall at night and then came back the next day to finish the second wall. When we came back the next day, it had been really warm inside, so the stickers started peeling off. I went back on a few of them and started spraying the adhesive spray, but it was just too much to do all of them, so I ended up going back over each sticker and using my old gift card, which I use instead of a wallpaper smoothing tool, to just smooth each sticker down around the corners and edges. This actually really helped, and I haven't had to go back with the spray on any of the other ones. This room already came furnished with a couch, which is also a pull-out bed. Since Oakley, our son, is only 1, we knew this probably wasn't the best option for him, so we decided to remove the couch and put in a crib, and this has worked out so great so far. I'll post a link for the crib in the description box below. We bought one that can transform into a toddler bed too, just in case he decides to start climbing out or we end up traveling around longer than we had planned and he kind of grows out of this one. Thank you again so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can easily follow along and see when new videos are uploaded. Like this video, comment, follow us along over on Instagram. Next week should be another travel video, and then I only have one more video of room makeovers, which is our daughter Lila's room. So happy travels, y'all. God bless, and we'll see you again next Wednesday.